Cool guys, what is up? I'm here in Chiang Mai, Thailand. Spent the past 2 nights here. Headed up to Chiang Rai now on my first motorbike adventure. Just got out of my hostel, which is Thailand Wow Hostel. If you have not been, you need to come. The vibes, the hospitality, the place is truly amazing. Plus you have the wonderful owner, Kai, so helpful. I'm just packing up now. Here's my bike. Let's get ready. Wait, what just happened? As you saw, I went from Chiang Rai all the way back to Chiang Mai, and we saw nothing that happened in between. Yes, well that's all thanks to GoPro and my SD card, so thanks a lot for that. Essentially everything that I had recorded over like the past 2 weeks, I've lost on my old SD card. So I had to re-buy a new SD card, and now I'm back recording again. But essentially in the past 2 weeks, all of Chiang Rai, I've come back to Chiang Mai now, which is where I've been the past month, working in my hostel, Thailand Wow Hostel, as seen before. And then I got the chance for 5 days to drive around the Mae Hong Son Loop, which is up in the northwestern part of Thailand, and that took me 5 days. And I am now back in Chiang Mai until Monday, June 24th, when I catch my flight down south again to Phuket. So stay tuned. Here's more of Chiang Mai, and let's get back recording. Just left the hostel, headed out now for our all-day cooking class. Should be about 5 hours, and then get back in time for hot pot tonight. Let's get to it. What is up guys? We're headed on our way to the Silver Temple now. We saw in Chiang Rai the White Temple, which is the only white temple in all of Thailand. They had a blue temple, and now the all silver temple is in Chiang Mai. So let's get to it. after spending the last month in Chiang Mai and getting to do the elephant sanctuary yesterday, which was incredible, I am now on my way to the airport to catch my flight back down south to Phuket. Let's get the show on the road.
Oh, what's up guys? I didn't see you there.
As you can see, I've made it to Phuket after leaving Chiang Mai today at 1 o'clock to catch my flight down here. Phuket is in the south of Thailand, which is actually the largest island in this country as well. And I've made it to my friend Phil's house, who I'm catching up with for the next week. He lives down here, and we'll be exploring the island for the next week or whatnot. So once again, apologies about not uploading for so long, as my SD card broke on me. I've gotten a new one now. I'm back recording. So stay tuned and check out my next vlog. It'll be out next week, fingers crossed. Until then.